Smart contracts is one of the most exciting areas in the space of blockchain. A smart contract is a computerized transaction protocol that executes the terms of a contract. It's Nick Szabo, widely regarded as the father of smart contracts, wrote about smart contracts as early as 1994. The general objectives are to satisfy common contractual conditions such as payment terms, liens, confidentiality, and even enforcement, minimize exceptions, both malicious and accidental, and minimize the need for trusted intermediaries. Please click on the I button if you want to learn about the blockchain technology. In a nutshell, what the description of a smart contract does is apply the same concept that Bitcoin applies to money by disintermediating the process of any type of contractual obligation. So once you can get the premise that you can build value and tie it onto a blockchain, and you can actually transfer value digitally by using a blockchain, you can expand beyond that and give it all the agreements and the different requirements of a contract and have it all automated. What this does is that the smart contract is nothing more than a computer program that takes all the concepts of what a contract would do, and it automates that and builds it on a blockchain because it's running on a blockchain. The program will actually be self-executing and it's immutable. What that means is that you can rely on the contractual obligations to be done automatically, and you don't have to worry about the fact that a third party may tamper with it, or that they may be subject to a malicious hacking or anything along those sides. It also reduces costs because you don't have to pay a third party to process this.